Hey there, beauties. Are you tired of using face packs that just don't seem to give you the results you're looking for? Well, today I'm here to help you get the most out of your face packs by learning how to properly clean and prepare your skin before applying any face pack. Hi, welcome back to Herbals' official YouTube channel where I share all things beauty related. Today I'm going to show you the best way to prepare your skin before applying any face pack so that you can achieve maximum benefits. The first step to getting the most out of your face pack is to start with a clean canvas. You will get many cleansers in the market, but I suggest to use natural cleansers like raw milk or honey with yogurt. These are the most effective cleansers. Here I am using raw milk to demonstrate. Gently massage your face by using raw milk in circular motion. You can use cotton balls to apply. Cleansing will help to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup that may be present on your skin. This will help the face pack penetrate deeper into your pores and work more effectively. After cleansing, next step is to exfoliate. Exfoliation is really important for skin to get rid of dead skin cells and revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. Opt for a gentle exfoliator, or you can make it in home with simple ingredients like coffee powder, sugar, and coconut oil. I will make separate videos to show DIY scrubs. Now, we gently massage this in circular motions. This step not only improves the absorption of your face pack, but also leaves you with a brighter complexion. After exfoliate, next step is to steam. Steaming your face comes with numerous advantages. It opens up your pores, removing any impurities trapped within, and allows the face pack to absorb more effectively. You have the option of purchasing a facial steamer or using a bowl of hot water and a towel for a DIY alternative. After steam, next step is to apply face pack. Now that your skin is prepared and ready, it's time to apply your face pack. Whether you're using a store-bought mask or a DIY concoction, make sure to evenly spread it all over your face, avoiding the delicate eye and lip areas, and leave the face pack for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the time is up, gently rinse off the face pack with lukewarm water. Use a clean towel to pat your face dry and admire the instant glow and freshness your skin has achieved. Lastly, finish off your skincare routine by applying a nourishing moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft and supple. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your face pack delivers maximum results every time. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, lovelies. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.